Hello everyone, welcome to all of you. Here is a recruitment update for you dear students from DRDO. Yes, when you will go to the official website of drdo.gov.in, here you can see in the what's new. When I will click here, I can see, even you can see, just click also view all. So here we can see the walk-in interview for the junior research fellows. At which place? At VRDE Ahmednagar. When I will click here, this is the career section. So walk-in interview for the junior research fellow at VRDE Ahmednagar. This category is for GRF. It's open. The walk-in interview will be on the 23rd April 2025. When we will click here, we can see. So let's check it out, the advertisement, the detailed advertisement. So dear student, this is the official website. उस official website से मैंने ये download किया है. I am showing you the official website as well. So what is this? I think it is visible. So what we are having here, they are talking about VRDE invites young and meritorious Indian national for walk-in interview who desire to pursue defense-related research as junior research fellowship in the following subject. Achha, first of all, what is VRDE? Try to understand Vehicle Research and Development Establishment. So this is a unit of DRDO. Okay, ji. Now, when we will click here, we can see number of fellowship kitni hai, 11 hai. So number of fellowship is depends on the requirement of the lab or organization. So what is this? They are having the first discipline for the computer science and engineer, number of GRF 4. What is the essential qualification candidates to have as on date of the interview? What is this? BE Tech degree in first division and a valid GATE scorecard. विदाउट गेट स्कोर कार्ड नहीं है, दिस इज फॉर वैलिड गेट स्कोर कार्ड. बीटेक चाहिए या फिर इफ यू आर हैविंग एमई एमटेक देन विदाउट गेट स्कोर कार्ड चलेगा. ठीक है, in the relevant. So if you are going to apply for the CS, then you should have BTech in the CS with the valid GATE scorecard. Similarly, for the electronics and communication, number of vacancies are 4. In electrical engineering, number of vacancies are 3. So we want the CS. Okay, computer science engineering, computer science and automation, AI and machine learning, data science, AI and DS will be there. Okay, information science will be there for the CS students. Similarly, for electronics and communication, electronics and telecommunication, control and telecommunication will be also there. Date of interview they mention here 21st April for the CS student, 22nd April for the EC students and 23rd April for the electrical engineering students. Okay, so they mentioned this one. If you are having BTech, then GATE scorecard required. Without without GATE scorecard, you can apply only on the basis of your masters, ME MTech. Okay, place of research fellowship will be at the VRDE. Okay, Vahanagar, Ahmednagar. Now they mention here this in the Maharashtra, the place exactly they mention. Tenure क्या होगा? Initially the offer shall be for a period of 2 years, which may be extended for the further 2 year periods, 1 year at a time, subject to satisfactory performance. Okay. Then in that case, you will get the stipend also, monthly emoluments of rupees 37,000 per month plus house rent HRA will be given to you. Okay. Education qualification, as I already told you, BE BTech in the above discipline in the first division. ठीक है, BE BTech फर्स्ट क्लास चाहिए होगा विद वैलिड गेट स्कोर कार्ड या फिर ME MTech इन फर्स्ट डिवीजन. ओके, बोथ ग्रेजुएट और पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट लेवल होना चाहिए फर्स्ट डिवीजन. ओके, अपर एज लिमिट इज 28 years dear students as on the date of the interview. Relaxation is there, yes, according to the rule of government of India for SC ST and OBC students. Nationality Indian national चाहिए होगा. Application form can be downloaded from the website. This is the official website. Which one? Which I show you, drdo.gov.in. कौन सी website? This is the website only. ठीक है, through this website you can download the application form. Desirous candidate appearing for the written test and interview are required to report at VRDA. ठीक है, at 9 hours on the date specified. तो जो date आपकी है according to your branch, you need to present there at this venue at 9 o'clock sharp. ठीक है. So then they are having they mention some walk-in interview candidates arriving late will not allow. Okay, not allow. Okay, and this one clear. So then they mention some general instructions as well. कि कुछ instructions लिखे हैं what you need to do, and then it may please be noted that offer of fellowship does not confer on fellows any right for the observation in the DRDO. So this is just in fellowship, but thus if you guys are having interest in the research field, then surely this fellowship will give you lots of experience as well. ठीक है, तो एक अच्छा खासा ऑप्शन है स्टूडेंट्स के लिए. those are having interest in the research. I think After that they attach the form as well. Yes, तो form भी attached है. If you want to fill तो आप इसको fill करके, ठीक है, at the date of the, on the date of the date, okay, or place of the venue आप directly जा सकते हो. There is no requirement of sending this separately. ठीक है. Application form can be downloaded. Required to produce the duly filled application form as per the format provided along with the attested copies of certificate जो भी चाहिए. Okay, in English or Hindi. Applications will be accepted starting from 9 hours to, okay, 100 hours. That is 9 to, they mention clearly on the above date. तो 9 से 10 बजे के बीच में हो जाएगा. Candidates arriving the late will not allowed to participate. ठीक है. And then they will proceed for this. So dear students, this is the official website which I show you, and yes, here I am having a very good news for you कि dear students, if you are looking for GATE 2026 comprehensive course of engineering, mathematics and general aptitude, then yes, surely you can visit our website study5plus.com. okay, here on in this website, when you will go, you can go for the explore courses. When you will click on the courses, you can see the comprehensive course of engineering, mathematics and general aptitude is available. The price is only rupees 1500. These two are the recorded batches, recorded classes which are available in English, especially for the southern region, especially for the eastern regions, those students who are very much comfortable in the English. Okay, so these two are especially for English, and this is recording classes. And dear students, if you are looking for the live classes, so yes, very soon we are going to start the live classes as well. और यहाँ आप देख सकते हो free demo live classes available है. Free demo live classes we are going to start on our app, on our website itself. It give you idea कि कैसा आपको platform दिखने वाला है, how the interface will be there, how you can use this application, ठीक है, कैसा audio video सब कुछ, everything you can check, okay, on our portal. तो free demo live classes for GATE and EAC engineering, mathematics and general aptitude. What you need to do, आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, सिर्फ और सिर्फ वेबसाइट पे जाके लॉगिन करना है या फिर ऐप को डाउनलोड करना है. I will show you the QR code, and then when you will click for the buy now for the free, so then directly you can just enroll. ठीक है, buy now for the free and you can directly enroll yourself. Okay guys, and then once you will click on that one, आपको क्या दिखाई देगा, देखो, look at the description. Once you will click here, तो you can see engineering mathematics की अभी 2 classes के live, free live classes, free demo classes के live links आपको यहाँ available है. Determinant and inverse part 1, part 2 and more we will update here. Okay, so the live classes will start, free live classes will start from the 17th of the March. Timing will be morning 7 a.m. Don't miss this opportunity बच्चों. If you are actually want to crack the GATE exam, आपको लगता है कि नहीं मुझे GATE exam बहुत अच्छे लेवल पे क्रैक करना है, you want to score very well, ठीक है, then yes, this platform will help you a lot. Study5 Plus will help you a lot बच्चों. और if you still not downloaded our app, then on this okay, you can just scan the QR code and you can download our app. This is the QR code. So download the app right now from the Play Store, and yes, you should not miss this free live, these free live classes बच्चों. बहुत सारे बहुत अमेजिंग लेक्चर्स होने वाले हैं, बहुत सारे फीचर्स आपको हमारी ऐप पे मिलने वाले हैं. यू कैन चेक इट आउट विच टाइप ऑफ फीचर्स यू विल गेट हियर. तो यू मस्ट एक्सपीरियंस वंस दीज लाइव क्लासेस. ओके, कीप लर्निंग, कीप शेयरिंग. थैंक यू.